Expanding our data coverage to places like Australia and Turkey is important because global companies need a global solution. And as they're expanding their reach into new markets, we're there to support them. For customers, the biggest problem they have with metadata is trying to work with various ID structures. It creates havoc when they try and build services. So working with one global provider allows them to efficiently deliver and deploy new services as they enter new markets. At IBC, we're talking about Search and Recommendations 2.0, effectively going to predictions as opposed to simply related content. So the way Search and Rec 1.0 works is around the notion of if you like one piece of content, you're likely to like a related piece of content that has the same actors, done by the same director, etc. Recommendations 2.0 adds a degree of prediction. So predicting what a person would like based not only on the attributes of the program or the film, but also viewer behavior, patterns of interest, thematic ties, etc. Rovi is different from the rest of the field in the areas of Recommendations 2.0 by virtue of the fact that we build our recommendations off of a very, very robust metadata set. Our metadata set includes almost 100 fields of factual information, but it's supplemented with many fields of thematic and taste information. And the combination of the facts and the tastes really differentiate what we're able to do and offer in a search and recommendations platform. What's next for Rovi in the area of recommendations is hyper-personalized recommendations. So it's the notion of developing profiles for the family and individuals within the home, and then being able to use their tastes, their history, their viewing patterns, and combining it with the platform, the underlying algorithm and the metadata to create really personalized recommendations. So making sure that the content is predictably what the consumer is really looking to find. Rovi Entertainment Unbound is at its core a workflow. It combines our search and recommendations platform along with our profile technologies and capabilities and marries the two together by underpinning it with our rich metadata set. What's unique about it is you're leveraging the profile and the usage patterns of a particular profile to really create personalized recommendations. But not only that, we're aware of what viewing patterns are, days of the week, hours of the day. So we can determine, for example, Tuesday at 4 o'clock when the TV's turned on, even if an individual doesn't select their profile, we have a history that determines what that TV is most likely to be tuned to. Therefore, we can tell our recommendations engine what information to feed and offer recommendations at that time that's most likely going to suit the interests of the person who just turned the TV on.